Hello students, today we are going to discuss birth control measures. So the birth control measures which deliberately prevent fertilization are referred to as contraceptives. The contraceptive methods help to prevent unwanted pregnancies. An ideal contraceptive should be easily available, user-friendly, effective and with no or least side effects. So the contraceptive methods are of two types, temporary methods and permanent methods. First we will discuss temporary methods. So very first temporary method is natural method, safe period or rhythm method. In the natural method, the principle of avoiding chances of fertilization is used. A week before and week after menstrual bleeding is considered the safe period for sexual intercourse. The idea is based on the fact that ovulation occurs on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. Its drawback lies in having a high rate of failure. Second, coitus interrupts or withdrawal. In this method, male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. This method also has some drawbacks as the pre-ejaculation fluid may contain sperms and this can cause fertilization. Lactation amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. This method is based on the fact that ovulation does not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition. Therefore, as long as mother breastfeeds the child fully, chances of conception are almost negligible. However, this method also has high chances of failure. Chemical means spermicides. In this method, chemicals like foam, tablets, jellies and creams are used by female partner before sexual intercourse. If these chemicals are introduced into the vagina, they adhere to mucous membrane, immobilize and kill the sperms. It may cause allergic reactions. This method also has chances of failure. Mechanical means barrier methods. In this method, with the help of barriers, the ovum and sperms are prevented from physically meeting. These mechanical barriers are of three types. Condom, it is a thin rubber sheath that is used to cover the penis of the male during copulation. It prevents the entry of ejaculated semen into the female reproductive tract. This can prevent conception. It is a simple and effective method and has no side effects. Nirodh is the most widely used contraceptive by males. It is easily available and is given free by the government. It should be properly discarded after every use. Condom is also safeguard against STD and AIDS. Diaphragm, cervical caps and wands. These devices used by female are made up of rubber. They prevent conception by blocking of entry of sperms through the cervix. This device is inserted into female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during copulation. Intrauterine devices. These clinical devices are plastic or metal objects. A doctor or trained nurse place the IUDs into the uterus. These devices include lips loop, copper releasing IUDs, copper T, and hormone releasing IUDs. Lips loops is plastic double S loop. It attracts the macrophages, stimulating them to accumulate in the uterine cavity. Macrophages increases phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus and acts as a contraceptive. Copper releasing iodine suppress sperm motility and the fertilizing capacity of sperms. The hormone releasing iodines make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile to the sperms. It delays pregnancy for longer periods. The spontaneous expulsion, occasional hemorrhage, and chances of infection are the drawbacks of iodines. Physiological or oral devices. Physiological devices are used in the form of tablets and hence are popularly called pills. It is an oral contraceptive used by the female. The pill contains progesterone and estrogen. They inhibit ovulation, hence no eggs are released from the ovary of the female using this pill. Thus conception cannot occur. They also alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperms. The pills have side effects such as nausea, weight gain, tenderness of breast, and slight blood loss between menstrual periods. The pill Saheli is an oral contraceptive for females which is non-steroidal. Saheli is to be taken once in a week. These pills are sponsored by the government. Other contraceptives. The birth control implant is a contraceptive used by the female. It is tiny thin rod about the size of matchstick. It is implanted under the skin of the upper arm. They contain progesterone and estrogen. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills. They prevent pregnancy for 3 to 4 years. Now we will discuss permanent method. The permanent birth control method in male is called vasectomy and in women it is called tubectomy. Remember the names: vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy in males, tubectomy in females. These are the surgical methods, also called sterilization. In vasectomy, a small part of vas deferens, see here, small part of vas deferens is tied and cut, whereas in tubectomy, small part of fallopian tube, see here, small part of fallopian tube is tied and cut. This blocks gamete transport and prevents pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy. An intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. MTP is essential in cases of unwanted pregnancies or in defective development of fetus. It is safe during first trimester of pregnancy. The defective development of fetus is examined by amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is a process in which amniotic fluid containing fetal cells is collected using a hollow needle inserted into uterus under ultrasound guidance. The chromosomes are studied to see abnormalities in the developing fetus, but the dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis to determine the sex of unborn child. Frequently, if the fetus is found to be female, it is aborted, which is totally illegal. So the government of India has legalized MTP Act in 1971 with strict conditions to avoid its misuse. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 2017 under Section 3 of MTP Act 1971 was enacted by Government of India. The intention of MTP Act is to reduce the incidence of illegal abortion and consequent maternal mortality. As per the provisions of MTP Act, only consent of woman whose pregnancy is being terminated is required. According to MTP Act, pregnancy may be terminated within first 12 weeks, more than 12 weeks but lesser than 20 weeks. The registered medical practitioner's opinion is mandatory, stating the continuation of pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of pregnant woman or grave abnormal physical or mental health or is substantial risk to the child. So this is all about birth control measures. Okay, thank you.